Hey YouTube, this is Taiki. Today I want to talk about three words that will make you instantly sound like a native Japanese. First word is going to be un. U, un means yep, ye, yeah, whatever. It's casual way to say yes. So casual way to say hi. If you learn Japanese already, you might be familiar with this word hi because it means yes, hi. And it feels distant oftentimes if you say hi to your close friends. So if you want to, feel close to your close friends, you should use um, um, um. So pronunciation would be more like but the hiragana is like um. So keep that in mind. Second one is so so. So simply means that's right, that's correct. If you use that word for showing that you agree to something or you think it's right. So very easy, right? So you can say so. And third one I want to share with you is wakaru. 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 Literal meaning is understand. I understand. But if you say in daily life like that, I don't know. Let me think. Today is so hot, and you say wakaru means I agree with you, rather than I understand. You know, means like literal meaning should be like I understand your feeling, but it's not used like that. I mean, it's too indirect to say that. So I just say wakaru means yeah, I agree with you. So those are three words I wanted to share. First one was yep means yep. Um. Second one is so so means that's right, that's correct. Third one is wakaru, I agree, or I know, right? Yeah, use that all the time in English, I suppose. So those are the three words I want to share with you. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I'll make every single day videos every single day. So I would be really appreciate if you stay tuned for more of my videos, and please give it a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.